Hi, folks. Just another episode of our house analogy series where we look at various different security components in a physical premises and compare it against the components that we put in place to protect our clients' data and their systems. This week, we're looking at the whole idea of keypad access on gates or doors, either external doors or internal doors, and comparing it to the likes of password management. And passwords, we try and get clients these days to not use passwords, but to use passphrases in such a way that they can, instead of having the same identical password for everything they use, which obviously you shouldn't, but half of us would do it, use pass codes and passphrases. So whereas you could put in, have a phrase, this is winter 2025 exclamation mark, and put Netflix at the end of it, and that could be your password for, and you can change I's in it to ones if you want to make it more complex, and that could be your password for Netflix. And if you wanted a password then for, say, Prime or some other system, you could have this is winter 2025 exclamation mark and put Prime at the end of it. So it's a separate password, and it's just about using passphrases to help people to remember things. But again, password management and having different passwords for different things is hugely important. So please try and practice it. Thanks.